కాబట్టి ఇంకొక అందమైన అమ్మాయిని కూడా స్టేజ్ మీదకి పిలిచేద్దామా? మెహరీన్ పెరిజాదా టు ప్లీజ్ కమ్ ఆన్ స్టేజ్. రాజా ద గ్రేట్ సినిమాలో చూసాము, ఆ అమ్మాయి కూడా చాలా గ్రేట్ అనుకున్నాము. F2 సినిమాలో చూసాము, ఫుల్గా ఎంటర్టైన్ చేసేసింది. సో ఇన్వైటింగ్ మెహరీన్ ఆన్ స్టేజ్ ప్లీజ్. ఏంటో పాలరాతి బొమ్మలా ఉంటుంది. హే, ఫర్ స్టార్టర్స్ ఓకే మెహరీన్. సో విక్రాంత్ ఇస్ డైరెక్టర్, విక్రాంత్ ఇస్ hero. So in both, which do you think he has more spark?
I think in both of them, it's very difficult to choose.
Okay. Very diplomatic.
No, there's no diplomatic. He's my co-star as well as my director. So who to choose? Both are very important, no, for a film.
Got it. Okay, so please go ahead.
Andariki namaskaram. Chala santoshanga undi ikkadiki vachananduku. And I'm very, very happy. It's been so long to come here up on this stage. And Spark is a very, very, very special film. And I'm very happy to be a part of this film. Vikrant, what do I say about you? Congratulations, first of all. I am honored, because it's your debut, I'm honored. I know debut films, debut co-stars are always very, very special. So I'm glad to be a part of this journey with you. So wish you all the very best. You know, there's a lot of spark I can already see. I can't wait to watch the whole film. And you've done a wonderful job. You worked so hard. I still remember the first day you came to me when I came on board last year, January. You know, it's been a long journey. So I'm very, very happy to be a part of this journey with you. Leela Garu, what do I say about you? You've been a wonderful producer. Thank you so much for always being there for all of us. There's actually never been a dull moment with you being. In fact, I missed you on sets after that first few days you came. And you're looking lovely today. And wish you all the best. I'm sure you're going to produce many more films. And I hope to be a part of these films. And my special thanks to all our chief guests today. Thank you so much for coming here and, supporting us in our journey in Spark. Guru sir, all our, co-stars that I have worked with. Guru sir, again, I'm very honored to have worked with you in your Telugu debut. So I'm sure you're going to always remember me. And you've done a wonderful job. And just likewise, all my other co-stars. And Hesham, he's given some beautiful music to our film. I can't wait to watch all of them and for you all to listen to all of them because I'm sure you're going to like it. And my rest of the speech, I'm going to wait for the audio launch and the release. But I'm very, very, very excited. I'm also nervous because, I'm actually spellbound after watching the teaser. And I didn't expect it to actually explode so much, in the first go. So, Rukshar, yes, we didn't work together in this film, but then, I'm so glad finally, we've worked in some way in a film together. So I wish all of us all the very best and many, many congratulations. And Vikrant, this is just the beginning for you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mehreen. And we'll see you next for the audio launch and many more. I will be there, wholesale, Begum Bazaar, I will anchor. Okay, so ఇప్పుడు